Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motovlog Brownie, guys. Today we are with a Yamaha. So the first vehicle from the Yamaha in our channel is going to be this one that what you are seeing. So this scooter that you are seeing is a Aerox from Yamaha, which is launched in the previous week itself. Just 1 week before, this scooter has been launched to India, and today we are with this vehicle, the Yamaha Aerox. So Yamaha Aerox comes with an displacement of 155cc. So why this concept has came up is because of a reason. Most of why boys have all the fun, people used to ask, right, all the girls every time. And to help them also, we have a very good displacement vehicle in the scooter segment, which is 155cc right here, with all the specifications remains very similar to the version 3 R15 what we have right now. And so it's, you can say, R15 is a bike and the same specs, and this is a scooter in it. In that segment, the segment changes and the design changes, but the experience remains the same finally. So here we are with a Monster edition. So Monster edition is a very limited edition that you have already seen on the Yamaha's official launch videos. So Aerox is here, the Monster edition that you can see right there. So let's get on to the specifications of this scooter. Let's not wait. I think this is the only scooter that I have seen till date with the liquid cooled, where the coolant and the radiator present in this scooter, so which is available for you. And when we talk about the engine specifications, right, so this is an 155cc liquid cooled single cylinder engine with a FI as well, which is there in this. So this is the specifications of the engine, and BHP and the torque is around, BHP is around 15.9 and torque is almost 13.9 Nm. When it comes to the braking, we have a disc brake at the front and we have a drum brake at the rear, and it is a single channel ABS. ABS is also available for the scooters, and nowadays all of the scooter segment whatever we have, they are also concentrated about the ABS, which is a safety feature for us, because these are the city riding bikes, right? So you can take it for the long also, but these scooters, the scooter segment itself is meant for the city rides. So the tank capacity is 5.5 liters and the mileage is expected to be around 40 to 45. I think it's in that segment 150, that is what you can expect, right? So 40 to 45 is what the mileage is going to be for you. See, when they are coming up with 155cc, that too the same concept of engine what we have in a R15, we expect a top speed also to be on the higher side, right? So the official top speed is going to be 120 km as Yamaha says, kilometer per hour. So when they say 120, I think 155 is obviously can make it up to at least 130 is what I think. So that is what this is made for. So this scooter looks little bulky, and with all the cosmetics whatever it has, so this seems really bulkier than the the scooters that we have. I think there was a time where we used to get a model called Blaze, so that is what the size that it has. But when we talk about the weight of this, which is only 126 kgs, so 126 kg is very much sufficient for a scooter, and that is 126 kgs what this bike weighs. So the seats are too wide, so it can easily accommodate two of the riders, and both of them will be sitting very comfortably for I mean the pillion and a rider. So that's very comfortable. Okay, so I was talking about the radiator. So you can see radiator right here. There is a radiator, and this is also a liquid cooled engine. So this side you have a radiator. I would have required the radiator somewhere at the front side rather than being here, but still it is okay to have at this side. And the suspensions is very important, right? This, I said, this is bulkier compared to the other scooters. So the suspensions, we have a telescopic suspension in the front, and the rear you can see there is a twin shock absorbs, not a monoshock. It is, we have a twin shock absorbs right there. That also we are going to check in our ride review, and we'll see that. So you have a two, I think, this is what amazed me, is that the tire size of this. So the tire at the rear is 140 section tire. I think most of the the scooters doesn't even get that big tire at the rear. So this has it. So this is a scooter with a wider tire, and at the front it is 110 section, guys. Again, both are comparably wider and bigger also when it comes to the scooter segment, and we have a alloy wheels right there. And we'll talk about the most awaiting thing, which is on-road price. So on-road price is what you ask for. Okay, the old school, whatever we used to see in the other scooters, right, there will be a gap right here completely, so for your foot. So now what happened, there is a small sort of a storage right here which is there, and you can place your foot right there. So no empty space, and because of which I feel if you are thinking about carrying something, that is not possible. Okay, so that is not the reason why you are buying this scooter, right? So that's how it is. And the foot pegs are right here for you. So let's get a little closer and see. So you have a DRL completely right here till here. So the bigger, the DRL is what you're going to get. So, and this headlight is all LED. So except the indicators, you're going to get everything in LED. So okay, so here you are seeing the tail light. So tail light is also LED, which is very sleek, slim, and good design for a scooter, I would say. So the fuel cap, that is where you fill, right? So I hope this is where the fuel tank will be. And to open this, you have an option right here. You just have to keep this in an open, the key, and then you need to press this fuel one button is there. So if you press that button, it automatically opens up and can rotate it. So this is where you will fill the fuel now. You don't have to get down from the vehicle to fill up petrol anymore. So that is about that. And when we talk about the seat, so seat also there is a button. If you click this button, the seat can be lifted up. Yes. So yes, so we click there and the seat got open. And under the seat, if you see, so under the seat, if you see, so there is a cut down right here. So no fuel tank right there. Now we have a complete storage for two helmets can be accommodated. One full and then half can be easily go inside this. So that is how it is. So you can see a very small storage right here. You just have to push this to see and what's inside there. So you can plug in 12 volts charger just like a car one right here. So in the instrument cluster you have a few things as usual, like speedometer, odometer, which is 0, the timings you can see, the fuel gauge is here, you can see that, and this is the RPM meter. Both the sides it's the same. So this scooter comes with an ABS. So the ABS is here, which is a single channel ABS, and the indicators, so you can see you'll get the indications right here. Okay, and there are few things like engine check symbol. So this vehicle can be connected through Bluetooth also to get a different informations in the console, like what to say, the calls, the messages, and a little bit of map also is available on the screen for you. So on the seat also you can see here it is written as Aerox, the model name. So here you will get this logos in a silver color than in a red color. So you can see a button also here, push to shut. This door, it will be closed. To open that, you need to insert this key and turn it back. So this is how the key is. So yeah, there are 3 variants in this and the price differs. So 3 variants I talked about. We'll go from the standard, which is a basic also. When it is a standard, there are 2 variants. One is racing blue that we had in the showroom that I'm gonna show you there. That is the racing blue, and there is one more, grey vermilion. So grey vermilion is somewhere, the white patches is what you're going to get on the vehicle with a mix of black and white. So and the price of standard versions is 1.69 lakh rupees. So this Monster GP edition, so this is the top end edition of this model, and what differs the most is a graphic. So you're going to get the monster symbols everywhere, almost everywhere on this, and the logo that you have is in the golden color. I think wherever the logo you see the Yamaha logo, right, that is in a golden color, and the other 2 standard models it will be normal silver color. So that is about the Monster GP. And price, right, so it is 1.70 on road at the moment. It may change anytime, or it may decrease, is not at all possible. It may increase anytime, and book yourself one from the showroom. See, the maintenance is also utmost important. I feel it's the same maintenance as R15 what we have. We have a 4 free service for this from the Yamaha itself, and 4 free service. So the first one is for 1000 kilometer, and for every 3000 kilometer you need to get it serviced. So that is what the interval will be, and somewhere cost the same as R15 or maybe lesser. So here we go on the test ride. So our experience is quite good on this. So it has a power, as I said, 150cc, right? So it has a good amount of power in it. So yeah, this is how the experience was. The suspension is really good, and the vehicle feels nimble and it's very easy to handle. So we'll check the braking now. We'll see. Okay, I think the bite would have been little bit better, but it is sufficient for the price and for a scooter. I think it is a bit good. Feels like just as normal other scooters. Power is good overall. I think it looks really good. If you can see, it has a character in it which is completely different on its own way. Let's get out of the back seat. So this is how the riding would be on this. So today we are recording through a mobile phone. GoPro, I forgot to bring a memory card, so that's the reason. So we are on our mobile phone today itself. So the cable, they have removed it because it's a very new bike, so we cannot see that Speedo areas. Overall, with sitting at the back is a good experience, and riding is even a better experience. As I said, you need a power, with a good mileage, and in a scooter, they can go with this scooter anytime.
So my liking is that the Racing Blue. I liked it a lot than a Monster. So there's a little bit of price difference, almost 3,000 rupees from Monster to this. Pillion comfort is really good. Riding comfort is also completely fine, and we can ride all day. So here we are back to the showroom, and thanks for our new showroom in Mysore, Chavi Motors.
I hope you guys have liked this video. I think this is one of our video which we have took the vehicle outside and we are reviewing it today for you. I hope you got the good information about Aerox, and if you want to choose this Aerox bike, and you can go ahead, and if you are the guy or a girl who wants the scooter with a better displacement and a top speed and a comfort, so this is the scooter for you. And thanks for watching. We will be soon with a new R15 what we have now, version 4, right? So we are going to do that video for you, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.